The life, legacy, and light of Nze Ezinna Victor Agenwa Usua Duruaka.
You will be part of me, and I will forever feel your strength when I need it most. You're gone now, gone but not forgotten. I can't say this to your face, but I know you hear.
Jehovah is your name. You're the only living God. Oh, Okaka, 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 Chimama. There is nothing you cannot do. You are the covenant keeping God. You are the covenant keeping God. Agents of your sick, yes, you never ever die. Okay, Mo is your name. Okay, Mo.
You are the covenant keeping God. Okay, Mo. What a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Rock of ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure, safe from